Hello, good morning or good afternoon, everyone. This is the first season in Sweden. This is my greenhouse, and as you can see, now the window is open because it is warm. I have 3 windows, but one of them is broken, so we need to fix it. One of them is broken, it's not working, so it didn't open at all. And there's 2 of them is it open, because you can see. I can zoom it for you so you can see. So it is look like this. It does look like that when it is open. So it is really good when your greenhouse have this window, so the warm and the cold, it is balance. It gives a balance temperature inside the greenhouse. So as you can see, it is very messy, so we can make it up. We will clean, and this is my dry tomato last year. So as you can see, it's my box, and we're going to clean it up. So I hope you follow me, guys, until the end. Look, I found a V. I'm going to zoom it for you guys. I hope he don't bite us, or he don't bite me anyway. You can see. It's the V. The first V in spring I have seen, and it's inside my greenhouse, or our greenhouse. So try to clean it, and I have some, what we call it, the wheelbarrow, or the wagon with wheels. Boy, I think I have problems with this tire. I need to have help from my husband, so maybe he can fix the tire. It is flat. It is not easy to fix it. When I throw it out, the garbage or the dry leaves into the forest. And I have some plants here before. It's already dead or dry, how do you call it? And then we're going to take it out so we can plant a new one, so it will be look fresh and amazing. So let's begin, guys. I hope you follow me until the end, and I will be thankful if you follow me. So here we go. And we're going to wear our gloves so we didn't hurt our hands. It will not get dirty. So ready. Our furniture. Or the outside. Oi. Oh, sorry. Now we are on a halfway to clean it up, and yeah, we're going to proceed. So very nicely. So we are going to proceed. And now we are done brushing our floor breaks. So next, what we have to do is we need to take out the grass in between the floor bricks. So I have an idea. I have bought these chemicals in the market, and I put inside in this small sprayer, so it's easy to spray onto the floor breaks. And this process, it is very easy and very effective, because when you spray these chemicals into the grass, and even the roots of this grass or unwanted grass in between the floor breaks, it is damaged and dead. So as I said before for my previous vlog, that we have to make sure that we have this warm weather at least 6 hours, so the grass is totally dry, and then after that it turning this green grass into a brown grass, so it means that it is dead. So what we have to do next is you have to brush it out. Tips and advice for you guys: don't spray the chemicals near the plants, because it happens that the also dead or destroyed. So please be careful when you spray these chemicals. And I hope I give you some ideas how to get rid out your grass in between the floor bricks. One thing, guys, piece advice for you: if you spray these chemicals to the grass, you need to spray it closer to the roots, so the grass will not survive. So we don't need to spray it again later, so we can save time and effort. I hope, guys, I help you something, or you got an idea with my vlog for today. And I'm really thankful if you leave a comments in our comment section below. the vinegar, but I don't know. As I said, I don't want to say what is the name of these products because it is not for commercial purposes. I only show you guys how I kill or take out totally the grass in between our bricks. After you're using this products, you need to change your clothes, wash your hand, or it's better you take a shower. And yeah, so we can avoid the poison in our body, so it will not affect in our body or in our skin, this product. I hope all the grass in between the breaks will be dead in a couple of days. And now we are done spraying the chemicals, and we're going to wait for a couple of days, and we are going to see what is the result. And this brake we had been used before, and then we decided later to reuse this brake as a floor when we built this greenhouse. And then the result was amazing. And then now, after a year, the grass is growing, so that's why the ideas now is that I think it's really, really good. And now guys, well done. After the hard work, the result is awesome. It is cleaner and nicer. Coming next, hanging our curtain inside the greenhouse to protect our plants against the strong sunlight and the cold weather. So if you want to see our part 2, so make sure that you subscribe my channel, and also you get notified every time I upload a new video. Don't ever miss it.